Find my way.
Hey FamBam, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you are, hi, my name is Esther aka MsTopacJay. In today's video we're going to be doing this sunset inspired makeup look, so let's just jump straight into it. So to start with, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I'm using the Benefit Kabrow in the shade 5 to do this, and I'm using an angle brush. So I'm basically lining the bottom brow first, filling it in, and then I'm gonna line the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and brush the front using a spoolie. If I sound nasally, I've got a bit of a cold, so I'm sorry. Okay, so to clean up the brows, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep, and I'm straight up using the doe foot applicator to apply it. And I'm also going to use this Shape Tape as well to set my eyelid for eyeshadow. And I'm basically buffing out using this eyeshadow brush, this dense, nice, dense eyeshadow brush. Do I sound a lot nasally to you guys? I am so sorry. I have a headache too, but I'm just trying to push, you know? So now for eyeshadow, I'm using the Morphe 350 palette, and this is my beat up palette. So I'm first going into this deep red shade, and I'm just basically putting this all over my crease, basically using it as my first transition color, but as my first color itself, and I'm just applying it in a wind wipe motion. And then going into this orange shade, still in the palette, straight into the crease area, and I'm still going to blend this back and forth, just kind of create that nice sunset, you know, hue, you know, before going with a yellow shade. Okay. Now speaking of yellow shade, I'm going to the Subculture palette, picking up the shade Edge. Edge is a nice yellow shade. I'm just trying to look for it. And I'm just going to pack it onto my lid using a concealer brush. Now if I were to redo this, I would basically go ahead and apply concealer first, kind of like cut my crease, and then I will go into the crease with the deep red shade and the orange shade instead of doing all this mess. Okay, but it's still okay because the edge is very pigmented. So now I'm going into this other red shade. I'm basically just sticking to that row of the Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna, you know, pick that other red shade and just use it to kind of blend the edge of my crease and the yellow color, just kind of have that nice hue going on. Look at that. Yes, yes. Now we're using this Sephora fingertip eyeliner in the shade Metallic Gold. I love this eyeliner. I love the design, and it's just easy. It's just really nice to control. And I'm just basically oh Lord, I'm so sick. And I'm just basically I'm so sorry. And I'm just basically I sound like Nanny Fine. Anyway, you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just lining my crease area because I felt like it needed that nice color in there. It is metallic gold. This liner is metallic, and I kind of made a couple of mistakes here, so if you see some mishap, just let it go. Okay, you guys already saw this in my Colourpop Foundation Test video, so yeah. Ooh, look at me checking myself out. Hello. This look is so simple, and this is me giving my nose a moment. Anyway, I'm going into the Kat Von D. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D tattoo liner to draw a wing, and I literally spent my time doing this. I don't know what's going on that day, but I was just like, just take your time, and I just woken up, so just take your time. So if you're doing your wing, take your time, sweetie. Look at me checking myself out again. And I'm gonna apply mascara using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and I'm going with this I Love Makeup Bronzing Shimmer. I like how I'm looking for what I'm gonna point at. Anyway, I'm using the bronzer shades, just apply that in my brow bone, and I'm gonna grab the lighter shade in the palette and just mix it with it, and I'm gonna blend it out using a brush, and also applied it to my inner tear duct. Now we're going with lashes. This is Dassy Beauty lashes in the shade Sassy. In the shade, I meant in the style Sassy. I'm going to put a link down below. They're my lashes. They're very affordable. They're synthetic. This is going to be my 5th time wearing these lashes. And I also like to put mascara on it because why not? As long as I clean them, it's going to be good. Woo! Now we're going back to the bottom lash line. Just still combining the orange shade and the second dip red shade. I'm just gonna smudge that in my lower lash line, and I'm gonna apply mascara, and Bob's your uncle. Well, you know, if you guys have seen the Colourpop Foundation Test video, you would already know what I have on my base. And for my lips, I'm just using this, you know, random lip pencil, and I'm gonna go in with the REvlon Ultra HD lip color in the shade Embrace. And then I'm gonna contour my nose just in CoverGirl Queen Collection and put in bronzer. Well, this is it, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you guys think of this look? Ooh, look at me feeling myself. If it does sound nasally right now, I hope you still enjoyed this voiceover. And if you're yet to join the FamBam, please take this opportunity to do so by subscribing, and make sure your notification is turned on, okay? I didn't pick a notification shout out for this video, but I will do next time. And as I mentioned earlier, thanks so much for watching. Whatever you're doing, to love yourself, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye.